I'm back, and right now I'm in Colombo. I've arrived yesterday from Katha, where I've done the rafting, and today's my last day. I'm gonna fly to India today at 6:30 p.m. and I'm staying at this beautiful hostel. And today is Sri Lankan National Day, and I think there's gonna be a parade in the town. So I'm gonna go to the Tumblr train because I'm in Mount Lavinia, which is at the beach. And it takes like 20 minutes to the city, and by this city will be so busy. It has been so overcrowded already yesterday when I've arrived, and but I'll see. I hope it won't be too stressful. Oh, they have birds. Poor ones. Finally arrived, and I had to take a cab again because I would have taken the train or the bus this time, but so in Sri Lanka at the airport there were right away some SIM card stands, or where you could buy SIM card so you have internet, but here I don't, and so I couldn't research how to get to the hostel by public transportation. Yeah.
I guess it's really meant to be. How the way things are, your love has got a hold on me.
Hello, so today is already my third day in Chennai, and yesterday I was only visiting a museum, which was quite boring, and then I went to Georgetown with a French girl. So but it was so chaotic and crowded and full. Then ended up having a headache, and the way home wasn't the best because nobody could tell me which bus to take, and it was in 5 different wrong buses, and the tuk-tuk drivers didn't want to take me home because it was too far away, or I don't know, and most didn't even speak English, so they talked to me in Hindu or Tamil, and they didn't stop trying, although I didn't understand a word. And yeah, nevertheless, new day, and I'm trying to get a SIM card one more time because yesterday I couldn't find the shop. Yeah, so here we go. I think I'm in a quite good area right now because all the streets are very, very large. The buildings are very beautiful.
No one can explain, it's all just such a mystery. And I don't have a clue, 'cause love has got a hold on me. A hold on me.
So I've just found a supermarket and got some, Oreos. Yeah, but they have another kind which we don't have in Germany. I'm curious, I want to try it. Yeah.